Hi, I'm Guy, and I had this great idea about using unique share links for content shared from Google Drive. And then I was going to go look at how many downloads each one got, and that'll tell me which channel is the best of the rest. It's a great idea until I contacted Google One support, and Google Drive doesn't do that. You can't get statistics on how many times the file was downloaded. So I'm going to put some more energy into this idea because I think it's a good idea. Oh, and I use a underscore preceding the file folder name when you're making those unique folders each time for Google Drive. I'm leaning towards Dropbox right now. I did a little research and they have stats, and I don't know if that's going to work, but if it does, I'll do another episode about the solution. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.